This dance is called Bless This Mess. It's a 32 count, 2 roll, high beginner level line dance with 3 tags. Starting on your left foot with half a rubber box forward. So you're going to step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, step the left forward. Hold. Add on a rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock back on the right, recover your weight on that left. That's your rocking chair. That set of steps once more then, half rubber box off on the left. Left foot leads. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, rocking chair. Rock forward, rock back. Into a Monterey quarter turn. So you're going to point your right to the right side, make a quarter turn right. As you do so, you bring the right back beside the left. Point the left to the left side, step the left back beside the right. That's your quarter Monterey turn. Touch your right heel forward. Hook the right over the left. So it's just effectively resting in front of my left foot. It's just hooked there. Step forward on that right. Flick your left back. And effectively you're going to flick it behind the right so it's just resting at the back of that right leg. So that set of steps once more then. Monterey quarter turn off on the right. 7, 8, Monterey, turn, heel, hook, step, flick. Point, close, point, turn, point, close for your Monterey turn. So let's add those 2 sections together. Half rubber box off on the left. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, rocking chair, Monterey turn, heel, hook, heel step, flick. Go back on a back lock step. So you're stepping the left back, lock the right over the left, step the left back. Hook the right over the left, step the right, large step to the side, hold, rock back on that left, but what you're actually going to do is cross it behind the right as you rock back on it and recover. So it is a back rock, but you're crossing behind the right when you actually do that rock step. So that set of steps once more then, we're in that flick position, going back on that left foot, back lock step. 7, 8, back, lock, back, hook, side, hold, back, rock. Let's add that to the top. Half rubber off on the left. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, rocking chair, Monterey turn, heel, hook, step, flick, back, lock, back, hook, side, hold, back, rock. Step the left to the side, make a quarter turn right as you step forward on that right, step forward on the left, hold. Into half a back rubber box, right foot leading. Step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right back, touch the left beside the right. That set of steps once more. Side turn off on the left. 7, 8, side, turn, step, hold, side, close, back, touch. Remember when you're doing that turn step, make sure you have turned, you haven't got any twists in your body. So that is the end of the dance. Let's put it all together. Half a rubber box forward, half on the left. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, rocking chair, Monterey turn, heel, hook, step, flick, back, lock, back, hook, side, hold, back, rock, side, turn, step, hold, side, close, back, touch. Absolutely no and counts in this dance whatsoever. But it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. And we'll keep going when we get back to the front, so you can see how the walls join together. And I'm also going to speed it up a little bit more as well when we get back to the front wall, because the music is just a little bit faster. Half rubber box, half on the left. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, rocking chair, Monterey turn, heel, hook, step, flick, back, lock, back, hook, side, hold, back, rock, side, turn, step, hold, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, rocking chair, Monterey turn, heel, hook, step, flick, back, lock, back, hook, side, back, rock, side, turn, step, side, close, back, touch. So that is your dance. Now there are 3 little tags in this dance. Nice and simple, side touches. So you will literally step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left, right to the side, touch left beside right. That is your tag. 2 side touches. The tag comes at the ends of walls 2, 6 and 10. Walls 2, 6 and 10 are your 6 o'clock wall, so you will be facing 12 o'clock every time you come to do the tag. So it's at the end of the first time you get to the back wall, you'll do your tag. You'll skip the next one, you'll do it at the end of the next one, skip the next one, and then do it at the end of the next one. That's your 2, 6 and 10. So let's have a go at wall 2. Dance it all the way through, add on the tag and restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Half rubber box off on the left. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, rocking chair, Monterey turn, heel, hook, step, flick, back, lock, back, hook, side, hold, back, rock, side, turn, step, hold, side, close, back, touch, tag, side, touch, restart, side, close, step, hold, rocking chair. So that's where your tags fit in. Like I say, ends of walls 2, 6 and 10. The music does kind of tell you, so it's something to look out for. I'll shout them out as we get to them anyway. So that's it, that is your dance, that's your walkthrough, it's your tag information. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8, side, 10, step, rocking chair, Monterey turn, heel, hook, step, flip, back, rock, back, hook, side, back, rock, side, turn, step, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, rocking chair, Monterey turn, heel, hook, step, flip, back, hook, side, back, rock, side, turn, step, side, close, back, touch, tag, side, close, step, rocking chair, Monterey turn, heel, hook, step, flip, back, rock, back, hook, side, back, rock, side, turn, step, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, rocking chair, Monterey turn, heel, hook, step, flip, back, rock, back, rock, side, close, step, side, close, back, touch, rubber, turn. Brother. Contrary. Back up. Side turn. Tag. Side tag. Side tag. Brother.
Chicken. I got a lot of water left. I'll have some stories to tell, I guess. God bless this mess. I've got a lot of matter left. I have some stories to tell, I guess. We've all got a thing or two to confess. I have stories to tell, I guess. God bless this mess. God bless this mess. God bless this mess. God bless this mess.
Hope you managed that one.